I just want another one of Brian's projects. They're putting down prep replacement primer behind us. What's beautiful about this product is it's designed to go over sealed, smooth surfaces, VCT tile, those surfaces that sometimes you're not able to prep. So if you know stamped concrete has a lot of low indents in it, impressions from the stamp. And as you grind or if you try to prep that, you're never gonna get down to those low spots. Even if you try to shot blast, it's so uneven that you're gonna be shooting shot blast and beads all over. And so this product is great. So we've done projects where we didn't even grind or prep or nothing, cleaned the surface, applied this product, and then did our overlay process right over that. We have projects like this that have been down for years, no issues. It's an amazing product. It's a prep replacement primer. And so on this specific project, Brian grinded the surface to eliminate having to do a scratch coat with our overlay to fill in the low spots. So he's got 90% of the deep spots kind of shallowed out, so they're not very deep. So our first coat of squeegee with our squeegee finish with the texture coat is gonna fill in 90% of that, and then he's gonna do a heavy texture spray with a hopper machine. And then by the time those two coatings are done, you're not even gonna know it's a stamped concrete. If you guys are doing coatings around pools and you run into stamped concrete or an existing sealer on concrete, this is an amazing product and can open up a lot more opportunity for you guys when you're bidding. Some jobs you might think you're not able to do, well, this product makes it possible for you guys to come in and apply coatings to those products. And it's a simple process. You can dip and roll, you can spray like they are. They're spraying right now and just rolling it out. Trey's walking on it. It's such a universal, easy product to apply. We've done projects where we've gone over VCT tile, asbestos floors, where they didn't want to spend the money for abatement to remove all of that. They were able to come in, clean the floor, apply our prep replacement primer, no grinding, no sanding, nothing, encapsulate the floor, and then they can install either epoxy, concrete overlay. This product works for both of those. If you guys haven't used it, if you don't know about it, check it out. If you guys have any questions, contact us about it. If you got a project that you don't know about, you can call us. We can help you navigate that stuff. So we're here to help you guys. But again, just wanted to highlight this specific product because it's used a lot. And we've had jobs, you know, that have been down for 5-10 years where this product's been used and we haven't had issues with it. So it's been tested in real world applications. It's not just some new product that we're like, hey, this works great, and there's no testing behind it. We have had, you can go to our YouTube channel, we have projects that we've done years ago, still look good to this day. You guys hear that? You know what that sounds like? Sounds like money. Hey guys, I'm gonna give you 3 things right now that could change your coating business overnight. Number 1, is start offering exterior coatings. If you guys are just focused on epoxies, you're missing a massive opportunity with pool decks, driveways, patios, walkways. It's unlimited when you bring your coating options exterior and you're not just focused on interior. So that's number one. Number two, guys, is our prep replacement primer. They're applying it behind us right now. It's designed to bond to sealed, glossy, smooth surfaces. Whether it's stamped concrete, whether it's a sealed driveway, instead of grinding that stuff off, you can apply this product directly over it and it will bond to that sealed surface. And the number three thing, guys, is join LeggariAcademy.com to learn more about these systems.